Ready yourselves, ladies, for what is next.
Sterling Scott.
CAPESHAWL.
Okay, some time ago, I commissioned the designer to design something specifically for my wife. And it has just arrived. And so now we're going to reveal it. And to tell you the truth, I'm not even sure what's in this box.
Ooh, I like the color. Oh, that's pretty. The color is pretty.
Yes,
Oh, very
this
nice.
is CAPESHAWL number 3.
Wow, that's pretty.
Handmade by the designer. You can wear it as a cape.
Yes.
Those buttons can come up. Okay, yeah,
I don't
it's
have.
there.
Yeah, that's nice.
So these buttons here, you can just drape it across and hook it with this, or these buttonholes, so you can wear it this way. You can bring this up and button it on the same side, or not with that, with the buttonholes here. On the same side, or you can cross it, or you can just leave it hang loose.
Nice. No, I really like the color, and it's so
all those
soft.
colors.
It's pretty. Love it.
I love this color. This is,
Can I wear it like a...
oh, CAPESHAWL number 2.
Oh,
This is only the second of his commissioned CAPESHAWLs.
nice. Love it. Very pretty. Very
It's
pretty.
beautiful. Thank you,
Yes, it
Scott.
is. Thank you, Scott.
CAPESHAWL.
Sterling Scott.